Your underarms should naturally be about the same shade as the rest of your skin, but sometimes the skin in the armpits can turn a darker hue. Dark underarms usually are not a sign of anything serious, but some people may find them embarrassing, especially during tank top and swimsuit season. But you don't need to still worry. In this video I wanna show you how you can remove dark underarms in best easier way. This amazing remedy helps you to remove dark underarms. To make this remedy we will need a few ingredients such as baking soda. Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate is widely used in baking. Baking soda is often used as exfoliant to remove dead skin cells from the surface. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a rich content of amino and lactic acid that helps clear dead skin cells and lessen scars. Coffee grounded seeds. Coffee may also help treat stubborn dark circles under the eyes. This is because the caffeine content in the coffee is thought to help dilate blood vessels that contribute to dark circles. Now we can make this magical remedy. Firstly we need baking soda. Simply just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the container. The next one ingredient is apple cider vinegar. Simply just add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into the container. In the last we need coffee seeds as an ingredient. We just add 1 teaspoon of coffee ground into the mixture. Now mix it well. And then the remedy is ready to use. If you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe my channel for further amazing videos in future.